We're going to rip this power box, Poke Power Box. See what's going on inside. Alright, you know we love stuffing. So it looks like the Poke Power Box. These are the March Edition boxes. So, factory sealed boosters, a raffle entry, a holo Pokemon card, one vintage Pokemon card, and then there are graded cards and vintage packs seeded into the boxes as well. You know I love confetti. Alright, so it looks like we're going to get the Japanese booster. Brilliant Stars, Battle Styles, and Evolving, Fusion Strike, Vivid Voltage, Chilling Rain, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, a Brilliant Stars hanger is number 7. 8 would be our Japanese. More stuffing. They already did the raffle. I did not win. Hoping for that next raffle, the base set unlimited sealed Charizard booster pack. And our sealed package has, oh, there's a slab in there. We got a big pack with a slab. Let's put that off to the side there. Nobody wants to play this morning. All right. So let's start with our regular packs here. Start with our Japanese pack. As much as I hate scissors, these guys are nearly impossible to get into. Let's put those in a safe place. All right. So here we go. Ooh, the Dodrio, Cottony, Salamander, Persian, and Weezing. There we go. There's our Japanese cards for the day. All right, we're going to start with the Chilling Rain. Chile, Chile. Here we go, come on. Not good. 1, 2, 3, 4. That Fighting Energy. Hatterim. Falafi. Kakuna. Inkay. Rockruff. Ghastly. Lediba. Porygon. The Reverse Holo Ghastly. And non-holo Rare Ampharos. I think there's a couple in there we can use for the Master Set. Let's keep ones together. That way we can keep the stacks together. Here we go, Vivid Voltage. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. One, 2, 3, 4. We got that Fire Energy. Loudred. The Memory Capsule. Go-Goat. Skiddo. Pharaoh Seed. Dedenne. Drillbur. Oshawott. The Reverse Holo Regirock, and ho! We got the Beauty! That Secret Rare Beauty! Let's go! Can't be mad at that. We're getting there on the value of the box. Beauty goes in a sleeve. Sorry for the arm reach there. We got Fusion Strike. Up next. One, two, three, 4 for Fusion Strike. We got that Psychic Energy. The Schoolboy. Chili, Ceylon, and Cress. Gliscor. Onyx, Choodle, Shroomish, the Klefki, Trubbish, Reverse Hollow Sydney, and the Hollow Rare Butterfree. All right. All right. A little hollow action. We're not going to be mad at that. Not loving it, not hating it. So we'll put our hits up here. Evolving. Here we go. That card is not sitting down there. It's like a super pack. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that Dark Energy, Ursaring, Rayhan, the Crystal Cave, Love Disc, Dwebble, Hippopotas, Zorua, Sai, Reverse Hollow Vigoroth, and non-hollow rare Altria. Not what we were hoping for from Evolving Skies. Let's see if Battle Styles can deliver. What's going on, Yowie? Just opening a Poke Power Box. Figured I'd hop on, open this up. That way we could post it to YouTube, and if we get any good hits, we'll show them off. But so far, not so much. Lightning, Bruxish, Carnivine, Sword and Shieldbert, Galarian Mr. Mime, Scatterbug, Yamper, Licking Tongue, Zubat, no, Reverse Hollow Onyx, non-hollow rare Eglash. Very nice. Yeah, I don't usually hop on this early, but we just want to break this open. Put something out there. We got a couple Brilliant Stars. There is a graded card in our mystery pack. So we're going to get to that in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. We did pull the Beauty Secret from Vivid. So not all bad. Water Energy, Berry, Clang, Gabite, Howlucha, Buizel, Gibble, Trapinch, Execute, the Reverse Hollow Escavalier, and the Hollow Rare Moltres. Alright, one more. Let's get us something good here. Let's get us something good. Last Brilliant pack. Yes. Do you have Champion's Path? I do have Champion's Path. Yeah, it's in the shop. If you go to pullbighits.com, you can see what we have available there. But I do have Champion's Path available. A good amount of it, actually. Lightning Energy, Gloria, Dusclops, Starmie, Gibble, Trapinch, Execute, Starly, Shroomish, the Reverse Hollow Kindler. Oh, the Honchkrow V. All right. All right. Not mad at that. Not mad at that. Yeah, Brad, we've got some Champion's Path. I think I have a Champion's Path ETB. I do. I have a Champion's Path ETB also. Not cracked yet, as well as probably about 20 loose packs. All right, here it is. Here it is. So for those of you just joining, we got the Poke Power Box we're opening. 7 packs inside, what you would expect. Fusion Strike, Vivid Voltage, 2 Brilliant Stars, Chilling Rain, and Evolving Skies pack. We did pull the Secret Rare Beauty. Yoey, how much is the box? Is that what you're asking? I believe they sell the box. Don't worry. They hook you up a little card here. So $60, 60 berries for your box. We're going to find out if it's all worth it right here. Oh, we've got a couple of items in there. Ho! The first edition Pokeball trainer. So we got a Jungle first edition Pokeball from CGC, graded 9. Yowie, the Champion's Path, ETB or the loose packs? They're on the website. You'd have to give me a second. We also have Girafarig Neogenesis. They love putting that card in there. The Drapion V from Vivid Voltage. Oh, and the Slugoo Reverse Holo. Very cool. Very cool. Need to put code cards on there as well. Pretty cool. First edition Pokeball. I like it. We got the beauty out of there. So we can't be mad at that.